get started. So first of all, let's go with this fairy. So first of all, we're going to draw the fairy's wings, just like the yellow color, all the big part, just like here. Just as you can see, I am using oil pastel. So if you want, you can use another kind, some kind of color. It's all up to you. Okay, so just try to draw like this, and be careful when you are drawing. Just don't go outside of the draw line. Okay, it can ruin your drawing. As if you want, you can see in my previous video that sometimes and somewhere I make mistakes, and just like I messed up some sort of place. Okay, just be careful when you are drawing. Okay, and now the second wings. Okay, nice and gently just draw like all over the area, just like it. Okay, our second wings is done, and now the other one, just draw like this. Okay, as you can see, it's already looking so nice, and when it's done, it will look more gorgeous. And if you want a more kind of this kind of drawing, you can tell me in the comment section. Send some orange color in the middle part of the yellow color. Okay, and this black line are the draw line, so be careful when you are drawing with this little thick marker or crayon. Be careful when you are drawing. Okay, draw like this, and also here. Okay, as you can see, it looks so nice. And now the red color here, just randomly draw here and here. Okay, and now all over the blank spot like this. Okay, also here. As you can see, I just messed up a little bit here. It's unfortunately, as you can see, it's not look so good that this area. Okay, so now it's our fairy wings is done, and now for the black color for his little black hair, just like this. Okay, and now the little cream color, what it is, this cream color on the face and his body. Okay, just randomly draw it like this. And now for his body, I think I should go for the this color. It's not even match this color, but as you can see, it's look like kind of similar color to yellow color. Okay, our little fairy is done, and now for the flower. So first of all, it's a red flower, and I don't know, it's look like sunflower. So in this kind of sensitive area, just avoid this thick marker. Try to use this pencil color. It will be very helpful to like this. Okay, as you can see, it's super easy to use. Also here and here also, just draw all over the area. Okay, now it's done. And now for the in the middle part of this, without the blank part, should I think I would like to draw the orange color like this. Okay, I don't know what kind of flower is this, but it's kind of look nice. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of color is this and the actual color of the flower. Okay, you can suggest me in the comment section. So suggest me. Okay, it's almost done. And now for the middle part, for this area I am going to use this red marker like this. It's not marker, it's some sort of color, I don't know. Okay, it's done. And the second flower is here, so also the flower leaf will be red like this. Okay, and the middle part will be the orange color like the other one. Okay, so now it's gonna look nice. A little bit of finishing here and here. Okay, and now for the all over the green part. Okay, so the flower stick is with the dark green, I guess. Yes, it's dark green. Okay, also this one. And now the other things to also let me draw the little one is here also. And last of all, this little light green will be the whole area, not whole area, the whole grass like this, sorry. Okay, just draw some randomly, and it's done, as you can see. And now a little bit of more like here. Okay, so our drawing is done. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.